First thing to do, create a new document. Click Create New. Choose one of the presets from along the top, anyone will do. It's the preset details down the right hand side that matter. Change the unit of measurement from centimetres to pixels because this image is to go on screen. Then select size. I'm going for 1080 by 1080 pixels because that works best on most platforms. Now I set the resolution to pixels per inch and then select 300. That's really a personal choice. Anything above 72 ppi is fine for screen. Moving on to colour mode, select RGB because you always use RGB for screen. Finally, give your project a name. Then click Create and you're ready to do the fun stuff. You start by placing your chosen image on the canvas that you've already prepared. Resize the image by dragging the transform controls. These are the little handles at the corners. If you click on Show Transform Controls at the top, you'll be able to see these controls throughout. Not essential, but useful. Select Layer so you know you're working on the right layer. Then go to the Quick Selection tool. Make sure you choose the Add to Selection, that's the plus at the top. Then hit Select Subject, which automatically selects the most prominent object in the image, in this case, the woman. Then go to Add Layer Mask, and the background disappears. Now, the edge of the mask needs refining. So, double-click the thumbnail, and you can now edit the layer mask. Select the Refine Edge brush tool, then zoom in to clearly see what you're doing using Command+. Command- will zoom out again. So, using the Refine Edge tool, you click and hold while you move over the area you want to change. A lot of the hard work is done for you. Now you select OK, which takes you out of the layer mask, and you're done. Happy? Good. You've cut out your person and refined her edges. No photo is safe from you now. Plus, you're ready to create your social media advert. We'll be using this image. Now it's time to turn it into an advert. First off, let's change the background colour to something more eye-catching. Start by creating a new layer. Go to the colour picker, bottom left, and pick a colour. I'm going hot pink. Then click OK. Select the Paint Bucket tool, then click to apply the selected colour. Now change the name of the layer to BG for background, then lock it. Now you'll need to add the text to your advert. So go to the Type tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and type. The text is pink too, this is why you can't see it. So go to Colour in Type Layer Properties and change it, then you can see it. Use the Transform controls, the little handles around the edges, to change the size and move the text around. Then click and drag the text layer so it drops down one layer and moves behind the woman in the foreground. Next, you want a second line of text in a different font, so first type your text. Then go into Type Layer Properties, click the drop down and choose your new font. Then resize and reposition the text exactly as before. Again, you want to move that text layer behind the woman and adjust it so it's more legible. You also want the colour to be different, so into Type Layer Properties again, let's go for black. For this ad, duplicate this text. To do that, you select the item you want to duplicate by clicking it, hold Option and you get the duplicate cursor, then, holding Option, click and drag. Once your duplicate is in place, let go of the mouse and Option. It's that easy. Let's do it again, why not? Option, click, drag. And there's your advert, ready to export. So, you've created your brilliant advert. How do you export it so you can use it in social media? Firstly, you go to the File menu and choose Export. Then you select Save for Web. Now, you have some options to choose from. We want this to be a JPEG. For image quality, always use 100% for social media. Nowadays, optimized encoding is standard because most everyone is on broadband. Convert to sRGB. These are web-safe colours, because online is always RGB. The image size is 1080 pixels, because that's the size we made our canvas. 1080 is the perfect size for social media. And save. That's it. You're done. The world of social media advertising is now your plaything. So, go and play. Leave a comment, like and subscribe, then you too can join our tribe.